Let me know. We try, y'all, we try.
Well, I think y'all are telling me now. This one wanted to be a little fussy today. He's doing fine now. We're just letting him relax. Come on in, cowboy. Felice has got the music playing for the horses to get used to the music because you teach them to dance for the rodeos. These horses like an Alan Jackson.
Oh yeah. Maybe they don't like Mexican music, I like American music.
Oh, see? Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Dragonfly. Must be one of those cool kinds.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
Red.
You always win, Manny. Afternoon, everyone. We're making our dessert mostly for tomorrow, but we'll probably eat a few of them tonight. I'm sure the kids will anyway. They're little mini strawberry shortcake cookie cups and bunny vanilla cookie cups. Sissies are gonna be super cute. Y'all have actually already seen this video though, so if you missed it, I'll link it down below. It was yesterday's video. We went to Walmart earlier, that's also in that video, and checked out their spring stuff. They have a lot of pretty spring clothes going on, really pretty, especially for kids, and for good prices too. Here's some of the stuff that I picked out for the kids. I got some of these polo shirts for Jonah and Manly. They're only $10. I don't know if it says it on here. It doesn't say it on here, but they're only $10. And they have lots of pretty colors. Sissy picked out this purple dress. She said she wants this to be her Easter dress. It is really pretty. It has all these ruffle things up here. It was $15, I think. Yeah, $14.98. And this was one of the things she wanted in her Easter basket. So I went ahead and got them while we were there because I couldn't find these online the other day whenever I was looking. Like, she either wanted Crocs or some of these. She didn't really care what the brand was, but she just wanted some of these in her Easter basket. These are the Joy Bees brand, and they're really cute. They have little bees on the thing here. These do have the little thing that you can slide down, you know, to be back there, or push it up there if you don't want it there. They had really pretty tie-dye ones, but she wanted just the plain pink ones. So we got those, and these are a lot cheaper. These don't have the price on them either, but I'm pretty sure they were $20, 19 something. So they're cheaper than Crocs, but a lot better quality than just the really cheap ones you can find, you know. So I went ahead and grabbed those for her just in case they sold out of the pink ones before next weekend. All the ones that I could find online didn't have the pink ones in stock. I could find purple. I think I found some purple ones, but they were like, if I remember right, close to $40. So this was a great deal. I don't know why I couldn't find these on their website the other day, but they do have them in store. If y'all want to see an Easter basket video, let me know. I've done a lot of those, like probably every year I've done an Easter basket video. I can't remember if I did last year or not. Pretty sure I did, or I at least showed y'all what I was going to be putting in their baskets. But if y'all want to see one, let me know. And if you're already looking for ideas, I'll link our past ones in the description box. All right, Sissy's going to whip up the cream. For the whipped cream, she'll just put a little bit of vanilla in there with it. When we finish the cookie cups, I think we'll just leave the oven on because the kids had pizza last night from Little Caesars. That's what they wanted to eat. Well, all the boys wanted pizza except for Jake. He came to eat me and Titus at Rib Country when he got off work. Sissy wanted grilled chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A, so that's what she had. But I have some new frozen pizzas in here that we haven't tried yet. Have this Rayo's, I guess I'm saying that right, I'm really not sure. Rayo's, I don't know. Brick oven meat trio pizza. Or this Quest pepperoni pizza. It's just me, Sissy, and Manly here tonight, so I think we'll do this Quest pepperoni. we got everything cleaned up. We're gonna come out here for a little bit. We really need to cut the grass back here. I just noticed how high it was getting.
What's that red thing over there?
I don't know what that is. Some kind of toy that they took out there, maybe. That pizza was pretty good, y'all. It wasn't the greatest, like, I don't think I would buy it again, but it wasn't terrible. It was just okay. I've still just been keeping the plants out here in the buckets that we got them, but they are getting bigger, so we're gonna need to transfer them soon, but they're doing good. And I haven't gotten any more yet since we can't, you know, really leave them out here. I think that we might be good now, maybe. We did have a frost warning. I don't think it was this morning. I think it was yesterday morning. I'm hoping to find some more pepper plants, you know, already started. We do better, as y'all know, with the ones that are, you know, already started for us. So far, we've just got habanero for peppers, and then we've got these tomatoes. I'm really hoping for some Cherokee purple this year. Y'all know we had, I think, 2 Cherokee purple plants last year, and we got some tomatoes, but they never really got that big enough for us to really, you know, be able to experience a Cherokee purple. Here's how they look. If it'll focus. Focus! There we go. And we also last year planted, we planted some kind of yellow tomato that we never got any, lemon, what was it called? I can't remember. And also the little tomatoes that we try, y'all, we try. There's another red thing in the pond.
That's a ball.
Oh, that's a ball, okay. Did you like the pizza?
But I'm gonna go see what it is.
You gonna go see what it is? Okay, what you eating?
Oh.
Munchkin, okay. The kids wanted some munchkins, so we went through there and got some, and you can get this little Easter bucket if you order. I think she said you could buy the bucket separately, I'm pretty sure, and not get any munchkins, but you can get munchkins and they'll put them in the bucket for you, so there's some little munchkins in there.
Folks, I've got a personal watermelon here. We've been working all day on some horses, and I wanted a personal watermelon. So here we go. Let's see if these personal as good as a personal pan pizza.
Oh, why'd you have to say that?
I don't know, Mama.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. That one's not ready yet.
Folks, this ain't gonna be with the personal pan.
It smells?
Pizza.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. We may be judging this thing.
Right.
You know, we may be judging this thing by its shell.
Right, we gotta
Judging
wait,
the
right,
watermelon by
Minnie?
its shell.
It's the taste that matters. We gotta see. It's the size of a cantaloupe.
Personal pan pizzas, we know they're all good, folks.
Oh, my
We don't need
goodness.
nobody to tell us. Those are good. Let's see what we got here. That's a gooey one.
Yeah, that one's mushy.
Ingalls don't have good watermelon. J Moore Farms is getting good ones for some
Ingalls
reason.
will have good ones when it really hits.
I
you
know, but why J Moore now?
Well, Daddy, let me tell you something. I know you were real excited about that J Moore one, but it was not the best watermelon, was it, Sissy?
Well, I think y'all were telling me now, but it was better than that
It
one.
was better than this one, but it was not super sweet. It wasn't the best watermelon. This is one for a baked potato right here.
Yeah, it is. Let me get a little bit of this salsa here. We got 2 different kinds here, but 3 different kinds. Mama?
Yeah, we got some different kinds to try.
This habanero right here is good.
We're putting a cup of water in the bottom. Potatoes going in. High pressure for 12 minutes. So we've got the potatoes and the butter. Now I'm going to put some mayonnaise. Gotta add mayonnaise to the list. And I'll put just a little bit of milk and some salt.